code. It sounds like this. So that is SOS signal code. Okay? So you need to do it 3 times if used. Whenever you feel you are start to feel you are lost or you feel you need some help, you cannot move. So we're gonna do like this. So now everyone, can you do it? Follow me.
Okay.
Put your things first. Put down your things. Don't worry. No one gonna steal it. So how is it? Faster. Slow. Faster. Why no sound? Put your hand like this. Let me see. Put your hand and you clap like this, not like this. This for clap to cheers. Like, ah, you did good. But this one for gonna help, so you can make louder sound when you clap.
Yeah.
See? Yes, that's right. You're doing right. Try. Also, if you think like, my hand is already hurt, I cannot clap anymore. How? You can find a stick or wood or any branch, find a tree, and then you do like this. See? So you can find any tree, and find wood or any branch, and you can hit the tree like this. So make sure find a solid one, okay? The rescue team won't understand if you give more than 3. Remember? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Slow, harder, slow. Okay?
Okay? Understand? But if you in panic, but most of the time, based on my experience, whoever lost, they will start panic. So they will remember any need to clap 3 or need to hit the tree 3 times. They will remember. So the easy way is how to do.
Scream. Shout.
What you need to help? What?
Help.
Shout, yes, shout. Help me. Say, help me, help me. No, just help. Just say help or I'm here. Okay? That's 2 words. Help or help me. Another one, I'm here. So to tell the rescue team that you are there. There's someone over there.
Okay.
So everyone clear? Cool? So actually for the signal or SOS emergency signal using voice, there's actually got a technique or a way to do it. But it's a little bit advanced, but I only show you how. Okay? So normally we're gonna shout like this, right? Help! Help! Right? But I got another technique. We call it whistling, or we use the voice from here, like that sound in the forest can transmit far, can go more distant, can reach far. Then you scream like this, help, help. Compared to this, I can't do that anymore. But people can hear the second voice more clear than the first one. If you just shout like this, help, help, maybe radius in the forest, because Malaysia has a typical rainforest, that means the tree is really close to each other. So for our voice to transmit more distance, actually it's not too far, maybe like 1 to 500 meters only. If you shout like this, help, help, help. But if you shout like this, you can go up to 1 kilometer. Okay, I can do this. My vocal cord is already. So that's the trick lah. But the easy way is to do like this. Don't worry, because whenever you are in the forest, the sound is easier to echo.